If you're working on a project that requires it to be backlit, this light board from TOHETO is incredible. My name is Kate with WTI, and I've recently started doing diamond art painting. Now, this light board makes it so I can do this anywhere, even in the dark. It's incredible. So this size holds a diamond art painting that's 12 by 16, which is ideal because that's the size most of them come in. It's very lightweight, so it's easy to have on your lap. It comes with 4 magnets, so it holds your project in place. And then the best part is it lights up. So it has 3 different color warmth modes, and then you can adjust the brightness. What I love about this is it doesn't need to be plugged in. So it really can go with you anywhere. You just recharge it when the battery dies. It even comes with its own little carrying case, so you can keep your project safe. It's really nice and soft and cushiony on the inside. Now, you could use this obviously for diamond art, but you can use this for painting, coloring, tracing, all sorts of different art projects. This would be amazing. I know they also come in different sizes as well. This has seriously made my hobby so much more enjoyable. I cannot believe how well it works, that I can literally do this at night in the dark and not disturb anyone else. That is a total game changer for me, and I think you will love it too, and that's my point of view.